Hey, it's Austin here, B, and it is Saturday or Sunday. It's Sunday, and this video is me chopping this dead bird. See this dead bird right there? I've had him in my basement for about 3-4 months, and chop it in half. And if you're like most of the girls in my grade that don't like seeing things get chopped in half or grow stuff, then don't watch it. That's all I can say. Like, I gotta get an axe out. Ow. I'm not supposed to be doing this. I shot this bird with my BB gun and it died. And my parents forgot that it was down in our basement in the freezer. So, okay, I got the axe. Let's go chop it. Okay, I got the axe. Now hold on. And you can, oh, my Snoopy pants, huh? You like my Snoopy pants? I wear this crap on mornings. Okay. Let me, ew. You guys want to see his butthole where I shot him? I shot him up the butt. See right there? Right up the butt. Anyway, about to chop him in half. I'll show you after I'm done chopping him, because I had nothing to hold it. Okay, ready? Okay, let me go put the axe back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that wait, guys. Let's check them out. I gotta get some gloves too. Let's check you. I don't really wanna. Okay. Okay. Now there's the bird. Ew. I'm kind of scared to touch it. There's its neck, head, and everything. This is so weird. Ew. Let's see his poopies. There's his stomach. That's his butt right there. It went straight through the bone. Here's his wing. I'm probably going to keep the wing, you know, just for the hell of it. The rest of it I'm just going to throw, okay? Thanks for watching. There's the bird's head. Again. Body. Butt. Ew. And wing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I'll do more crazy crap. Jared's not here, you know, like regular. I went to his house yesterday, you know, like I said I was. And our special guest didn't want to do trolling. He was too scared that he was going to get, like, in trouble or something. I don't know. So we didn't do any trolling, which is gay. But have you known if you throw a bird wing, it like spins like one of those? Hey, there's the bird. Anyway, I gotta get rid of this stuff. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Keep tuned for more of my videos. Bye.